Alright, I know I'm going to irritate some people, but here I am replacing the umpteenth 4x4 fence post. Now I'm digging this thing out. Got concrete around it, but do you notice where it broke off? Right here. It always rots off, breaks off right there. Then either you put the post in a separate location, or you had to go back in the same place and pull, and like I am here, having to pull the concrete out. Now, I always do what the customer wants. The customer wants that post to be in concrete, I put it in concrete, but that's what happens. It breaks off, rots off, because water stands on top of this concrete, yep, and rots off. So now we've been on this for an hour, or at least 45 minutes, trying to get this thing to come out with roots wrapped around it. We'll still get it, but I'm just trying to let you guys know one of the ways I have learned to think a certain way. All right, bye. All right, so now we found a root all the way around. And it's a blast. We're trying to cut through the root using an oscillating saw, and it's working, but it's really put a lot of roots all the way around it. That's why it wasn't coming out. Oh well. Huge hole now. It held that big piece of concrete, which must have been, I don't know, 4 bags of concrete. Guess what? We got to do it again over here. Such is the life.